If you've just reinstalled Windows 11 and haven't set up your browser yet, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Google Chrome on Windows 11. First, go ahead and open up a built-in browser, like Microsoft Edge. Then, head over to google.com/Chrome. Once you're there, click the Download Chrome button to save the installer to your computer. Once the file finishes downloading, double-click on Chrome Setup to run the installer. Click Yes when prompted. The installation process is actually pretty fast. It usually only takes about a minute to finish up. After it's installed, the Google Chrome Welcome window will pop up. At this point, you can choose Sign In to sync your Google account and data, or just hit Don't Sign In if you prefer to keep things local. Next, if you want to make Chrome your main browser, click on Set as Default. This will open up your system settings. Just click the Set Default button right there. You'll notice that web-related files like HTML will update to the Google Chrome icon. You can also do this manually for specific file types. For example, if you want your PDF files to open in Chrome automatically, scroll down to the PDF section, click on it, select Google Chrome, and then hit Set Default. You can do the same for any other file types you need. And that's it. You're all set to use Google Chrome on Windows 11. One last tip. If you use Chrome a lot, you can drag the Chrome icon down to your taskbar to pin it. This makes accessing it way easier next time.